Hello guys, welcome to another Animal Company video. And in this video, we're gonna be rage baiting kids again. I did this last time, and those kids got really rage baited.
Whoa, what did I do?
But this time, I'm actually gonna be using a different strategy. So basically, I'm gonna be using the teleport grenades, these ones, to like troll the kids, and I'm gonna be doing many more. So, yeah, let's get right into it. So first, I'm gonna show the first method, how to troll kids with the teleport grenade. Many people already know, but I'm just gonna do it anyway. And how we're gonna do that is basically, if we come over here and we go buy tiny backpack, buy a tele grenade, and we're gonna tell them to pop the grenade, put it in the bag, and then after they do, we're gonna come to the loadout. And now, I already have it saved, so clear. And then we're gonna save it. And then now, go like that. And now basically, if I buy it again, it teleports me again. So that's what I'm gonna do to the kids. But also, for this to work, I'm gonna need to talk like a kid. Like, can I see your RPG for a second? And I'm also gonna need to change my character because, like, we need to, like, look like a kid. I mean, I sorta do, but... So... Actually, I'm gonna change it now. We're gonna do... gonna spawn. There we are. Blue. Red. We're looking fresh. So now, I'm probably gonna have to take off my outfit here. Okay, here we go. So I think basically this is what kids are gonna wear. Red, and obviously the chubbier snail, and a nice simple free jacket that you can get by redeeming codes. And that's actually gonna be my next video, showing how to redeem some free codes. So, yeah, I'm gonna get right into it. We're gonna get some kids. And I think I'm gonna do it in code 67, because that's what I did last time. And there's like a lot of kids. But they might know the trick. Most do not, but still. Okay, so I'll meet you guys in code 67. Okay, we're
I need
in.
one
to
more.
do a thing on me.
What's that?
Someone
Please
give
give away.
me
Just give away.
put a balloon on me. Who wants to
what?
put on
Hey
a balloon on me?
Me.
I do.
Guys.
The whole Fish boy. Yo, purple. Can I do something?
We don't. Nobody wants it.
What?
Oh yeah.
Wait, don't let me
Guys.
do really quick and.
Boo!
Nobody needs
Boo!
it.
Can you activate this ball and put it in my bag?
Nobody
It
cares.
wasn't that bad.
Yes. I will. Then be quiet, you.
You don't care about it because you don't
Thank
want
you,
to have any
guys.
fish.
Make me bro, make me
Thank
bro,
you.
make me bro. Little angry, yo.
Make me
Everyone.
bro.
Yeah, pick the card, pick the card. Leave the code, leave the
I just asked what's inside of that bag.
We want this cool armor.
You guys are good for drums.
You never said what.
Well, you want
I
to
do.
Take it.
Bye-bye. Give it, Luke. Give it, please, bro.
I just came here to kill people's items, not for the sake of
I want it.
Oh,
I want it. Please.
Hey.
I just joined this show to steal people's items. And you just joined it since you think it's
Pink.
funny.
Hey, Pink.
Hey,
Pink,
I
you
got
give
this
me that.
from my-
Yeah, give me this.
people to take my...
What?
I'm not joining.
Guys, can I have some stuff? Yeah,
guys, can I have some stuff?
I need
have some stuff?
this to
Can I have some stuff?
glow.
Can you
See how you go?
No.
What do
Can I have
you
some
do?
stuff? Don't revive him.
Hey, what do
Don't.
you do?
Do not. Do not.
Revive me.
Heal. Wait. You.
Are you trying to? I still have it.
Hey, does anybody want to grab one? Wait, Boo. Are you the guy that was in sewers?
What happened? Wait, are you guys going to sewers? Are you guys going to sewers?
Yeah, we are.
Yes. Okay, let me get ready.
Yeah, so I got a teleporter. And I'm ready to go to sewers. Join.
No more bullets, man. It's cold outside.
Guys, I have a big problem. I made this cool creation. Wait, Blue. Yo, let's
go. Black cool.
Oh man,
I just call yourself.
Come on, let's get in. Hey, I can bring you 6-7.
Wait, how did I die in the safe zone? What?
I'm behind.
Okay, that went really well. There was a bunch of kids thinking I was a modder, or they didn't even know it was me, and they thought there was like a hacker in the server. So that was really funny. But now, for this next trick, we're actually going to be using, where is it? A cardboard box to troll them. So basically, how this is gonna work is whenever they go into the stash, I'm basically gonna put it on their head, and since they're in the stash, they can't like grab the box or anything, so they'll just be stuck. I saw this on a Chubbier Snail video, and I thought it was really funny. So we're gonna try it out, see if it works. So let's get right into it.
Get out of your city, boy!
Captain,
don't kill me anymore, don't kill me.
Save that.
Hey, yo,
I need
yo,
that,
bro.
Please, speed. I need to stop it. Save that. Can I save that?
Why, huh? Give me a reason why.
Yo, do you have a little
Because I
boo-boo?
need
What do you
it.
have in your stash? Can you show me what you have in there?
I'm not giving you my boo, bro.
Well, can you show me what you have in the stash?
Sorry. No, please let me save that.
Whoever killed me is safe. Don't listen for it.
Let me
Hey,
save
can you show me
that.
what you have
You
in the
can just make
stash?
it. Hey, I'm telling you,
Pink.
you cannot make it with the regular. It has to be a glitch shield. That's why I haven't saved this. So even if you do try to make a build, it's not gonna work.
So can
Pink,
I please
can you
save
show-
it?
Pink.
No!
Black. Yo, you. You.
Please
Can
don't
you show me what you have in your stash?
Here, you're gonna freaking.
Hey, Chicken Nugget, can you show me what you have in your stash?
Chicken nugget.
Why do you want it, huh?
Hey, chicken nugget.
Okay, this is not working, bro.
What did you say to me?
This is not working.
Whoever killed me.
So have the chubbier snail?
Maybe.
Yeah, bro, hop on this.
And I don't have this.
Wait, can you show me what you have in there?
Yo,
In the
black,
stash?
black. Yo, guys, hop on this. Hop on
Pink,
this.
Pink.
No.
Can you, Pink, chubbier snail? Can you show me what you have in the stash?
Hop on this. Hop on this. Can you hop on it? Hop on it.
Give me a gallon gun.
Who likes space? Who likes space?
Can I get a
Who
grappler?
likes space? Who likes space?
Oh!
You like space? Why are you talking that? Yeah.
Okay, that kind of fail. Oh, what the heck is wrong with my arm? Anyway, that kind of failed because that guy helped out the pink guy, bro. What is wrong with you? Anyway, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Não cessa do fim de semana.
Anyway, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.